Microsoft recently released new KB5037853 for Windows 11 version 23H2. This is an optional update need to install manually from Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. The latest release introduced new Account Manager on the Start menu, new Windows Share UI with QR code, email to myself option, several bug fixes and improvements. If you skip this preview build, all the changes and features will be rolled out on upcoming Patch Tuesday held on June 11, 2024. While the download and installation may take some time depending on your internet speed and system hardware configuration, how quickly it download the required files from Microsoft Server and apply on your device. Let the download and installation complete. Once done, you need to reboot your computer to apply changes. Installing this update advanced to Windows 11 build 22631.3672, you can run WinVer command to check the same. Now talking what's new today's update, this update adds a feature that prevents accidentally closing the Windows Share window. That means clicking outside of the window will no longer close it. Next, you can now use your mouse to drag files between breadcrumbs in the File Explorer address bar. A breadcrumb shows the path to your current file location in the address bar. This update also adds a page to Settings under Accounts section is called Linked Devices. On it, you can manage your PCs and Xbox consoles. This page only shows on Home and Pro editions when you sign into Windows using your Microsoft account. Microsoft also starts the rollout of the new Account Manager on the Start menu. When you use a Microsoft account to sign into Windows, you will get a glance at your account benefits. This feature also makes it easy to manage your account settings. Also, you can now create quick response (QR) codes for webpage URLs and cloud files from the Windows Share window. Select the Share button in the Microsoft Edge toolbar and choose Windows Share options. Then, you can share the URLs and files across your devices. It also enhances backup capabilities by allowing sound settings to be saved if Remember My Preferences is enabled, and integrates Microsoft Account Sign-In within the Windows Backup app. Users can also now send emails to themselves from the Windows Share window and add a recovery email via a new button in Account Settings. Additionally, the update addresses issues with File Explorer's responsiveness, handwriting panels, touch keyboards, screen sharing, and video playback in Chromium-based browsers. It also improves the startup time of File Explorer, fixes Bluetooth LE audio headset connectivity options, resolves profile picture update errors, and ensures the Share button on USB controllers works with Game Bar. The update resolves issues such as exceptions returned by the getLocalGroup member cmdlet after a server is removed from a domain, printer functionality in restricted environments, and the persistent display of deleted IPP over USB printers in the control panel. It also addresses problems with Twain drivers in virtual environments, updates COSA profiles for certain mobile operators, and fixes various other issues related to host networking service, smart card icons, enhanced fast reconnect, encrypted email apps, folder context menus, out-of-box experience completion, and unified write filter API calls.